What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create an online and shareable Google Search Console report for your customers, for your potential clients, for some marketing purpose, all into a simple, fast, effective, and totally free method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video. So we're gonna learn how to do a report like this one right here, an interactive report with all the information about your Google Search Console. And of course, you can edit this in the case that you want. First thing, go to Google and type Google Locker Studio. This guy right here. Click on it. You're gonna need to log in with your Google account. You're gonna be able to see a page almost like this one. And right here, we're going to be able to see a couple of templates. If you click right here on Templates Gallery, there is a lot of templates that you can play with, okay? And I like this one right here, the Google Search Console. Popularity data, YouTube data, Google Ads, Google Search Console report, okay? Click on it. This is gonna load the template, and now we need to populate the template with our data. How to do this? Review the upper right corner of the screen. We're gonna be able to see use my data button. There is two data sources, okay? The sample URL and the site. First one, go to Search Console, click on Authorize. You're gonna need to enter with your account. Select the site. For example, in my case, it's gonna be Growth. First gonna be the site, and I would like to select web. Click on add. Now go again, go to the second one, select the site, URL, web. Click on add. Authorize. And here is the result you're gonna get. Nice, right? And to finish, click on edit and share. You're gonna be able to customize this in the case that you want, okay? And now you can click on edit to finish the editing, or already share. If you click on share, you can change from restricted to public, and anyone with the link can be a viewer, not an editor, okay? This is for your safety. Copy the link, and you can share this link with anyone that you want. Simple, right? And in the case that you want to change something, go to edit. And feel free to customize or add some new chart, okay? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I see you guys tomorrow. All the best.